Hi everybody, in the last video we have already understand Pythagorean theorem, and this video you will be able to know the converse of Pythagorean theorem and how to apply in proving a triangle is a right triangle. Let's find out together. Converse of Pythagorean theorem tells us if sum of square of two sides in a triangle equal to square of remaining side, then this triangle is right triangle. Given triangle ABC, if BC square equal AB square plus AC square, then triangle ABC is right triangle. Proving the converse of Pythagorean theorem, from vertex A, we draw a line segment AH perpendicular with BC at H. In the right triangle ABH, we have AB square equal AH square plus BH square according to Pythagorean theorem. In the same way, apply Pythagorean theorem for right triangle ACH. We also have AC square equal AH square plus CH square. Besides that, given BC square equal AB square plus AC square. In the figure, we notice that the length of line segment BC equal BH plus AC, equivalent BH plus AC whole square equal to AB will be replaced by AH square plus BH square. And AC square replaced by AH square plus CH square. Open the bracket, we have BH square plus 2BH multiplied by HC plus HC square equal to 2AH square plus BH square plus CH square. We notice that both sides of equation contains BH square and HC square. Let's simplify them. Equivalent 2BH multiplied by HC equal 2AH square. Dividing both sides by 2, we have AH square equal BH multiplied HC. We can rewrite under fraction form AH over BH equal HC over AH. According to the method which proves two triangles are similar, we concluded triangle ABH similar to triangle CAH. To understand easily, let's have a look in the figure. Triangle ABH similar to triangle CAH. Consequently, angle of A equal to angle of C. On the other hand, in right triangle ACH, we have angle of CAH plus angle of C equal 90 degrees. Because sum of two remaining angles in right triangle equal 90 degrees. Therefore, angle CAH plus angle A equal 90 degrees. Let's put notation of right angle here. Therefore, we can conclude triangle ABC is right triangle. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share to the others. See you in next video. Thank you and bye bye.